Here's another one of my GBC builds. I'm really getting into these lately, and I really like them a lot. A lot of fun to build. This is a modified Akiyuki design, and it is from the Great Ball Factory. So I really like the screw type, and I think they're really interesting. So anyways, this is what it looks like. I've modified it a little bit, and if you've ever seen that Great Ball Factory, it's amazing. I can't wait to build that. But this is basically what it looks like, and I modified it to be used on the EV3. Let me turn it on and throw some balls in here and see what happens. This is basically what it looks like. All right. There's some balls in there. You can kind of see what it looks like. Really well built, really nice model. The balls come out there really nicely. Very satisfying to watch, of course. And it's going into my other model very well. Some of the balls kind of get stuck in there a little bit, but you get the idea. That's basically what it looks like. That's the idea behind it. I hope you enjoyed it.